function notation. This says f of n is equal to 6 times n minus 3. To find f of 5, just replace the n with 5. So 6 times 5 minus 3. 6 times 5 is 30, minus 3 is 27. Therefore, f of 5 is 27. F of 0, to find this, I'm going to replace the n with 0. So 6 times 0 minus 3. 6 times 0 is 0, minus 3 is negative 3. So f of 0 is equal to negative 3. Now, you can change the letters, it doesn't matter. This says g of n is equal to 2 times n minus 10. To find g of 5, I replace the n with 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. Minus 10 is 0. So g of 5 equals 0. To find g of 0, I replace the n with 0. So 2 times 0 minus 10. 2 times 0 is 0, minus 10 is negative 10. G of 0, or the beginning, is equal to negative 10. Evaluating exponential equations. Y is equal to 2 to the x power. Now what I did is I created an input and output table. My x's are my input, my y is my output. So when x is 1, same as 2 to the first power, which is equal to 2. When my x is 2, I replace the x with 2, which is 2 to the second power, or 4. When my x value is 3, I replace the x with 3. 2 to the third power, which is 2 times 2 times 2, or 8. When x is 4, it's 2 to the fourth power, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, or 16. When x is 5, it's going to be 2 to the fifth power, which is equal to 32. If f of n is equal to negative 2 to the nth power, what is the value of f of 4? Now, to do this, all I have to do is replace the n with 4. So, f of 4 is equal to negative 2 to the fourth power. And we have to be careful here because this negative is not included. It's just 2 to the fourth power, then everything is negative. So, f of 4 is equal to negative 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. F of 4 is equal to negative 16.